Still others fail completely to achieve their ambitions, desires, and ideals. Why is this so? Why should some people realize their ambitions easily while others do so with difficulty and still others not at all? The reason for the difference can't be in their physical form. If it were, only physically perfect people would be successful. The difference must, therefore, be in the mind. Mind must be the part of us that overcomes our environment and any obstacles in our path. When the creative power of thought is fully understood, its effects are clearly marvelous. Students who learn that the power to accomplish comes from within recognize that they seem to be weak only because they depend on help from outside. They rely on their own thought without hesitation, instantly standing tall, taking on a confident attitude and working miracles. The Master Key System. The Master Key is therefore based on a newly understood set of laws working in and with the mind. It brings to light the possibilities that lie dormant in each of us, and tells how they may be brought into powerful action to increase anyone's energy, discernment, vitality, and intellectual capacity. The student who comes to understand these mental laws will possess an ability to obtain results not yet dreamed of, along with the rewards that words can hardly express. The Master Key teaches the use of mind power, true mind power, not any substitute or perversion. It has nothing to do with hypnotism, magic, or any of the more or less fascinating deceptions by which people are often led to think that something can be had for nothing. The Master Key explains the correct use of both the receptive and active elements of the mind and teaches the listener how to recognize opportunities. It strengthens the will and reasoning powers and teaches the development and best use of imagination, desire, emotion, and intuition. Those who use it experience increased initiative and persistence, wiser choices, a deeper understanding and sympathy for others, and a thorough enjoyment of a meaningful life. The Master Key enables the student to control the body and to experience health. It improves and strengthens the memory. It develops the kind of insight that is so rare, the kind that is the distinguishing characteristic of every successful leader, the kind that enables people to see the possibilities as well as the difficulties in every situation, the kind that enables people to discern opportunity close at hand. Thousands fail to see the opportunities within their grasp because they are busy focusing on situations that couldn't possibly provide any substantial return. But the Master Key changes that. The Master Key develops internal power, which means that others instinctively recognize you as someone with force of character. They want to do what you want them to do. It means that you attract people and things to you. You are what some people call lucky, and things come your way. You have come into an understanding of the fundamental laws of nature and have put yourself in harmony with them. You are in tune with the infinite. You understand the law of attraction, the natural laws of growth, and the psychological laws on which all advantages in the social and business world are based. Experiencing abundance depends on recognizing the law of abundance and accepting the fact that mind is not only a creative force, it's the only creator of all there is. Mind with a capital M is one of the many names of the creative source of the universe. When the book of Genesis says, "Let us make man in our image," it's not saying make a likeness of, but rather make part of or within our form. Because mental power is creative power, it gives you the ability to create for yourself. Certainly nothing can be created before we know it can be created. Only then can we act appropriately. And it's not taking something away from someone else. Nature never does things that way. Nature makes 2 blades of grass grow where one grew before. And mind power enables us to do the same thing.